Recently, Turn Center presented the results of its clinical research trial at the World Confederation for Physical Therapy Congress in Geneva, Switzerland. Turn Center's research was selected among the top 5 posters in the pediatric category. Guys, welcome back to the States, first of all, and thank you so much for representing our area in such a positive way. I mean, it sounds like it was a really wonderful experience.
It was, absolutely. There were 4,300 physical therapists from around the world, 113 countries represented, and I think I was the only non-physio there, which is what they call physical therapists from around the world, and so I stopped admitting that after a while.
Right.
I wasn't a physical therapist.
In.
Yeah, I tried. I think I may have stood out, but Treva represented us well. It was an incredible experience.
So, Treva, the work that you guys are doing at Turn Center is really groundbreaking, and you learned that additionally when you went to the conference, right?
Sure, yeah. So the work that we're doing, there's not a lot of research in the world about how aquatic therapy affects children with autism, and so, you know, this was really new information for basically everybody there. So, yeah, definitely groundbreaking.
Were people so excited to hear what you had to say?
Yeah, the overwhelming consensus was that this was, you know, very interesting and exciting information for all the therapists there. So, yeah, people...
It kind of makes you proud that it's happening right here in Amarillo, right?
I felt that the whole time. Like, wow, like what we're doing in Amarillo, Texas, and there's these people from all over the world asking questions about what we're doing in Amarillo. And I think it goes way beyond the aquatic study that we did. And we went to breakout sessions on pediatrics and mental health and intellectual disabilities and several others. And gosh, Treva would make a comment after a panel discussion, and as soon as it was over, she would have people swarming from around the world going, hey, will you tell me about that kids inclusion program or the community work that you're doing and these other programs that we've started? And it was very cool and validating to see, like, wow, what we're doing in Amarillo could potentially help people all over the world. And Sierra Leone and Belgium and the Netherlands and South Korea and Nigeria, and we're going to follow up with people from all over the world. It's really incredible.
Well, it makes me proud for you guys. I mean, how do you get to that? You know what I'm saying? How are you so on the cutting edge of everything? How are you doing that?
You know, I don't think that we've done anything other than just pursue what we love. You know, we're really blessed to have this group of therapists who loves children and loves to help them, and that's what we've done. And you know, I don't know how we're lucky enough to have been in this spotlight, but I think we haven't done anything overly special other than love our kids well.
That's awesome.
And so she said that, she's like, what we're doing is not rocket science. Like, that makes it even better, that everyone from around the world can do what we did in 10 weeks in our little pool, and it helps children with autism. We can now statistically prove that, that it helps them.
It's so cool.
It is. It's really neat.
So people who are out there and they're watching this and they have, you know, a child that has autism and they want to be able to experience this sort of treatment and this sort of therapy, is there still a long waiting list? Can kids get involved and things like that?
I'll let her speak to that, but I don't think there's a waiting list for aquatic therapy at the moment, but she knows better than I do.
Sure, there's not a long waiting list for physical therapy. If you're looking to get aquatic therapy through an occupational therapist or speech, there is a little bit of a waiting list. But you know, waiting 3 months when you've been waiting 4 years is not that big of a deal, truly. So it's worth getting on the waiting list.
Absolutely, for sure. So they just need to kind of get in touch with you guys.
Yeah, just call us, for sure.
That's so cool, guys. Thank you so much for sharing, and thanks for repping the Panhandle. Y'all are awesome. We are so proud of the work that y'all are doing there, for sure. All right, stick around, everybody. We've got some wild hogs needing you to hop on